Hello everyone, welcome to my very first tutorial in which I'm gonna show you how to make your very own Roblox Gamepass without any strings attached, no Robux, no memberships, no nothing. You don't even really need the app, you want to go to the browser. It's fine, any browser you use, it's fine. Then you click on the link and you want to write create.roblox.com and it's gonna bring you here. Dashboard thingy with experiences, events. You want to click on your game and click the three little stripes near the dashboard. Here you want to click on associated items and make a pass. If you want to make a pass, you click pass, of course. Here you can see I've made many attempts. You want to create a pass and you fill in the requirements, the picture, the name. Only the name is mandatory, so here we go, and create a pass. See, we made the pass, but it's off sale. Now we don't want an off sale pass, we want Robux. So we click the three stripes again and click on sales. You want to toggle item for sale and make your own price. So 20. But as you can see, you're only gonna get 14 since Roblox takes 30%, so do not get scammed. You want to set the price for what you're worth here and save changes. Now if you go back, you can see that your pass is worth 29 Robux. That's how you make your own Gamepass, and I hope I helped. If you have any more questions, let me know, and if you like the video, like it. I hope to see you again another time. Goodbye!